Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First, watch the accuracy of this indicator 92.77 in just 1 minute time frame. I will show you the results in all time frames in all markets, either you are using crypto, forex, indices, future market, whatever. Okay, you will use this indicator in all the market. Okay, and you have need to watch the accuracy. Let me show you results in Solana USDT. I'm using crypto. Will show you the results in 97. That is awesome. Actually, I do not have need to explain this thing because this is all the thing you can watch from your eyes. Okay, so watch the results in some forex pair like gold. Where is gold? Okay, 92.86%. That is awesome. Okay, but wait, I have something a very important thing for you. And what is the thing? Let me show you, because it's very important and it's amazing thing. Okay, what is the thing that I am talking about? Let me show you. Here you can see the buy and sell signal. That's okay. That is also okay. That buy trade is also okay. And so we will discuss this whole indicator, and plus we will add second indicator as well to get more trades. Okay, and we will add second indicator will be look like this one. Okay, I use the RSI. This is the RSI ribbon and the band lines and buy and sell signal. Each and everything we will discuss the whole detail. First, we have need to discuss this indicator. And before start my video, just a small request, please subscribe my channel and must like my video. Okay, any further query you can ask me, or I will show you at the end of the video how you can contact me or how you can get this strategy and each and everything. Okay, let's start the video. Just small request, please subscribe my channel, must like video. Okay, we have need to use first indicator. We have need to move step by step. Okay, first we have need to add first indicator here we have need to show you these are my pine scripts, and this is all my scripts, and this is the skill where is cross strategy. You have need to open the file. I will send you control A, that's mean copy all the code my, and then go to the pine editor, and here you have need to control A, remove all the code first. Okay, then paste my code. Okay, and then click on add to chart. After clicking on add to chart, the indicator will be look like this one. Let me show you. It will show you less accuracy, but we change some setting and the indicator will give you the more accuracy. It's loading, and now it's loaded. Okay, here you can see 81% accuracy, but I show you the accuracy of around 92 point something. So how? We have need to go to the setting, and then we have need to change the setting to 3 to 15. Okay, then click OK. Now you will see the accuracy 92.86. Okay, that's okay. Now you will see. Okay, now you will understand the whole concept how you can add the indicator. Second indicator simple over 4.8 simple. Just go to the pine editor, and I will send you the file. You have need to open my file, then copy my code, then let's I have need to show you. Control A, Control C, close it, go to the pine editor. First we have need to remove it. Okay, then click on pine editor. First control A, that means remove all the code first, then paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Okay, the indicator will be added here, and you can see it will be done in few seconds. Just wait, and let's see. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, because it's a very big indicator, and there are multiple of lines here. You can say 1050 lines, and this indicator is awesome. Okay, you will get all, you can say in this indicator you will get all scenarios like RSI ribbon, each and everything you will find here. Okay, you will find each and everything in this indicator. Okay, and still loading here. What is the uh, first go to the again, we have need to open trading view. It's still loading, still loading, and hopefully okay, now it's working fine now. So we have need to go to the setting, and we have need to uncheck the table, uncheck on3 influence signal, and then go to the swing mode, uncheck it, and then click on OK. After clicking on OK, the indicator will be working fine and awesome. Okay, let's see. I do not need this thing, but if you need, you can use these things. Okay, but I do not need, because I want to keep the charts simple and plain. Okay, that's why I do not need this extra things. Okay, just I have need to remove it. Okay, and now you have need to see the accuracy 92.86. So what is the strategy? Okay, actually there are, I told you there is two type of strategies. That first one is a very simple strategy. All you need to hide this indicator. Okay, then when you got the sell signal, you have need to go for the sell trade, and when you got the buy signal, you have need to close your trade. Let me show you. Okay, so far did not get any. Okay, and you can see when you got the sell signal, you have need to close your trade. Buy signal, go to the buy trade, close your trade, and go to the sell trade, and so on. Okay, it's a very simple strategy. Okay, but if you will follow second strategy, or like if you will add second indicator, then you will get better and more accuracy. Like how this was a sell signal, you had to close the trade when you got the buy signal. There are now two types of buy and sell signal. The first one, this one, sell a buy signal, so on. Okay, but the second indicator is also giving you the buy and sell signal in the green and red color. Okay, and the second indicator is giving you the buy and sell signal in the green color buy signal and the red color sell signal. And here you can see the RSI ribbon as well. Okay, there is a RSI ribbon, and the third thing, there is a band line. Okay, all are very important. How? Let me show you. When you got the buy trade, okay, this this trade, if you will close the trade at this point, then definitely you will get the more profit. But if you will wait and you will close this trade, then definitely this is not, you can say, that is a bigger profit, and this is a very small profit. So okay, now here you can see sell trade. If you will close your trade at this point, then definitely you will get the profit, and that is actually the same scenario. But on the buy side, there is also same scenario. But at this point here, you can see sell signal again, and you got the trade. You need to book your profit. Now you have need to wait for another sell signal, because when you got this cross steady indicator sell signal, then you need to follow only sell signal of simple hoga 4.8. okay, simple hoga 4.8 giving you the sell and buy signal, and you have need to follow only sell signal when you got when simple hoga cross strategy give you sell signal, then you need to follow only sell signal of simple hoga 4.8 indicator. Yes, I know I'm weak in English, but I tried my best to give you the all explanation and well in manner. Okay, here you can see when you got the signal. Now I told you have to follow sell signal. Follow sell signal, got the profit. Sell signal, got the profit. Sell signal, got the profit. Sell signal, got the profit, and so on and so on. Here you can see this is a sell signal also. Okay, but here where one thing we are missing. What is the importance of RSI? Because we are using all the things, but we are not using the RSI. Okay, RSI, here you can see there is RSI ribbon. This is actually RSI ribbon, and this ribbon is when this ribbon turn to the red one, it will give you the sell signal. When it change to the green one, it will give you the buy signal. That is a very simple one. But the RSI, how you can get the perfect trade by using RSI. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see just extra confirmation, you can use RSI ribbon as well. Here you can see this RSI ribbon come upside from the upper band line, you get the sell signal, then definitely it will give you the profit. And again same scenario, and you can see RSI ribbon again upside from the upper band line, you get the sell signal, and definitely this trade will give you the profit. And same scenario. So that is the use of RSI. Okay, now hopefully you will understand the whole scenario. Now I have need to show you the results in some other indices and Indian market. I will have need to show you the results. Okay, so first we have need to watch the results in some other pairs like Bank Nifty, SPX, and US 100, NQ, Tesla. So I have need to show you the results in all pairs. Okay, Nasdaq Bank, I will show you the results. Okay, first SPX. Okay, in the SPX you will see the accuracy. Okay, it's loading, there is some slow internet, but all things are working perfectly fine. Okay, so it's loading and still loading, but you can see it will be fine in few seconds. Okay, it's loading. Okay, fine, go ahead. And now fine, go to the study register, and you will get accuracy of around 88.89 accuracy. And watch out, watch out. And that is awesome. Okay. No, okay, you can see that was the most recent trades, and you can see most recent trades, and you can see the results. That is awesome. Okay, okay, and let's see results in some other pairs like Indian market, because the mostly Indian people are contacting me for the Indian market, that please show the results in Indian market. So I have need to show you. Bank Nifty is the Indian market, and let's see. Sorry. And here you can see the net profit total trades in 9 trades so far. Out of 9 trades you will get you get accuracy of around 88.89. you can say 90% accuracy out of this thing. But unfortunately that is a bad news. But the thing is clear, indicator working perfectly fine. You can see indicator is working perfectly fine, but in the strategies that's unfortunately Bank Nifty is not working. Okay, so that actually is not a bad news at all. Why? Because let me show you. Green one, go to the buy trade. Okay, and red one, you are need to follow buy signal. But here you can see green, go to the buy trade. Okay, and red one, okay, now follow sell signal. Oh no, this one is buy one. Okay, from this one sell signal, sell signal. Now happy, and hopefully Indian market, you can say Indian will be happy after seeing the result that indicator are perfectly working fine on Indian market as well. Okay, so let's see the results in some other pairs like uh, US 100. Okay, now you can see it's working perfectly fine. Study just 90. That is awesome. Okay, I do not need to explain this one, you can watch from your eyes. Okay, out of 66 states you are getting around 100% accuracy. That is awesome. I do not need to explain this thing, because that is unbelievable and unexplainable. Okay, now you can see my indicators are working perfectly fine on all market, either it's free indices, crypto, forex, crypto indices, bond, economy, options trading as well. You can use in all the market. Okay, okay, now okay, let's see the results in BTC. Then we have need to close, we have need to discuss something more. BTC, in the BTC you are getting around 97% accuracy. Okay, and this is the most essential signal. But I told you Here you can see that is the important thing, and that is a good thing that here you can see the signals come on time, their signals will not come delay, and non-repeated 100%. So here you can see when you got the signal, now you have need to go for the sell trade from this point. No, we do not need to go for the sell trade at this point, never. Why? Because sell trade will start from this point, okay, this upper band line. Let me show you, let me show you here. That is actually fine thing. I have need to explain something very important like this one. Here you can see buy signal, got the buy signal when the candle is almost very close to the upper band line, so we do not need to go for the buy trade. If you want you can go, but I will not recommend. Why I will recommend this trade? Okay, now let's see the results in 5 minute time frame. If we will use 5 minute time frame, definitely your accuracy will be low, but we have need to change the setting around 96%. Okay, that's actually fine, but we need to change for the some setting, because we need big trend. Okay, like if you want you can use that. That is actually 96% out of 50 trades you are getting 100% almost accuracy. That is actually fine, but if you need you can change the setting. Okay, like here you can use 30 if you are using 5 minute. Okay, and if you are using 1 hour, then you have to select here 4 hour. Okay, uh, and same scenario 4 hour, that means 360. 60 multiplied by 4, that is 6 4 bar 2 to 40. ठीक है, ओके. Yes, 6 4 by 240. You have to put 240 when you are using 1 hour. Okay, and when you are using, I'm telling you about the time frame that you want to, and that you need to use. Okay, so hopefully you will understand the whole strategy. Any further query you can ask me. And now the last question, how you can get the indicator. So the answer is very simple. My indicators are paid, and currently 4500 plus people are using my indicators, and never receive any people, and people are enjoying my profit. And hopefully when you if you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channel, and you do not need to join fake Telegram channels. Okay, this is Gmail, simpleog@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any further query you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye, take care. Must like my video, must subscribe my channel. Any further query you can ask me, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. For the next video, bye bye, take care.